Aparatos y utensilios del hogar. 422. Las cortinas están muy sucias. Debería lavarlas. 423. Mi repisa está llena de portarretratos. 424. Hacía tanto calor que tuvimos que encender el aire acondicionado. 425. Mi reloj está atrasado 4 minutos. 426. Las luces de la casa han sido apagadas. 427. Me encanta sentarme frente a la chimenea y escuchar música. 428. Ellos compraron 2 cuadros para su recibidor. 429. Ella prefiere la luz de la lámpara. 430. El niño pequeño se cayó por las escaleras. 431. Calefacción. 432. Estufa. 433. Plancha. 434. Mesa de planchar. 435. Lavadora. 436. Secadora. 437. Aspiradora. 438. Barrealfombras. 439. Trapo de piso. 440. Trapeador. 441. Recogedor. 442. Escoba. 443. Balde o cubeta. 444. Tendedero.
Hey, Patrick Jackson here. Just to show my appreciation for watching this video, I have 2 special regalos for you. And regalo means gift. Before we get to your 2 special gifts, do yourself a favor and click that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, and then click the notifications bell. That way we can help you on your journey to achieve all your learning Spanish goals. Moving on to your 2 special bonus gifts. Gift number 1 is an invitation to attend our bi-weekly live and interactive webinar taught by a Colombian Spanish instructor. During the webinar, we open up the line so you can practice your Spanish with a webinar Spanish instructor. You'll find a link to register in the description of this video. Now, gift number 2 isn't for everyone. If you want to know if it's for you or not, then let me ask you a couple of questions. Are you sick and tired of using apps that do not feature native Spanish speakers, but use machine learning and synthetic voices, which leave you with an awful sounding Spanish pronunciation and accent? And are you sick and tired of using apps that use machine learning and synthetic voices that make it almost impossible for you to understand normal, everyday Spanish speakers? Do you want more than just an app that only gives you a badge that shows you used the app for days, weeks, or even years, but still can't speak Spanish well enough to even hold a conversation with a 4-year-old Spanish speaker? If you're ready for a learning Spanish program that's going to give you what it takes to speak and understand conversational Spanish with complete confidence. And you want to get this program absolutely free. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to go to Amazon or Audible. You can get Learn Conversational Spanish Like an MF completely free with a free trial to Audible. And I guarantee you, after using this program for 30 days, you'll find yourself speaking Spanish like an MF. And in case you're wondering, MF stands for Master of Fluency. And we've only used native Spanish speakers in this program so that you develop an authentic Latin American Spanish accent and pronunciation. And just in case you're a visual learner, we've also included a bonus video version of this program, which includes its own free mobile app. That's in addition to the audio version of the program that you'll get from Audible or Amazon.com. After you get your copy, make sure you install the free Audible mobile app to listen on your phone or tablet. Or if you prefer, you can also listen on your laptop without using a mobile app. And if you've never heard of Learn Conversational Spanish Like an MF, it's the #1 best-selling learning Spanish program on both Audible and Amazon.com. As you can see from the screenshot taken from Amazon.com, it's beating popular learning Spanish programs such as Pencil Spanish. You can also click that same link in the description of this video and go to Audible or Amazon.com and see the success stories from hundreds and hundreds of Audible and Amazon customers and see what they have to say about learning conversational Spanish like an MF. I hope to see you at our next live and interactive Learning Spanish webinar. Ya me voy. I'm leaving now. Hasta luego.